Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize passive earnings with Stripe step by step clearly. To optimize passive earnings with Stripe, start by creating a Stripe account if you haven't already. Visit the Stripe website and click on Sign Up. Fill in the required information, including your email and business details. Once your account is set up, navigate to the dashboard. Explore the available payment methods that Stripe supports. Choose which payment methods are most suitable for your business model. Set up your products or services by clicking on the Products tab. Fill in the product details, including the name, description, and pricing. Consider offering subscription-based services to generate consistent income. Enable subscription billing by going to the Billing section. Create subscription plans that suit your business's offerings. Implement clear and easy payment flows on your website. Incorporate Stripe elements or checkout for a seamless customer experience. Testing the payment process is crucial before launching. Conduct test transactions to ensure everything operates smoothly. Analyze the transaction fees and determine how they affect your earnings. Use Stripe's analytics tools to track your sales and customer behavior. Focus on building an email list to promote repeat sales. Create engaging content that leads customers back to your offerings. Ensure your website is optimized for SEO to attract organic traffic. Utilize social media channels to promote your products or services. Consider creating affiliate programs to widen your reach. Regularly review your pricing strategy to stay competitive. Monitor customer feedback and make necessary adjustments. Keep your Stripe account updated with relevant business details. Stay informed about new features and updates in Stripe's platform. Reinvest a portion of your earnings into marketing and product development. Consistency is key, so maintain your engagement with customers. Regularly assess your passive income strategies for ongoing improvement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.